Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best garage floor tiles on Amazon. If you want to install tiles that protect your garage floor from oil, paint or any other substances that could ruin the original garage floor's integrity. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bemix Interlocking Soft Foam Floor Mats. Installing garage floor tile can be a time-consuming and expensive project that many of us dread. You need an option that provides the efficiency and value to streamline this already tedious project. Bemix Interlocking Soft Foam Floor Mats provide an option that enhances your garage's integrity without sacrificing cost efficiency. This kit contains 18 pieces, with each piece measuring 12.6 inches in length and width, as well as 0.4 inches in thickness. It is also designed in puzzle piece form, along with accompanying edge pieces, designed to accommodate the area you wish to be covered, regardless of area size. This option protects your garage floor from scratches and skid marks to maintain garage floor integrity. It's also eco-friendly. Its non-toxic EVA foam construction provides an anti-slip surface that maintains your balance without breathing any toxic fumes from other garage tiling options. Number 2. YES4 All EVA Interlocking Exercise Foam Floor Mats. No garage tiling review list would be complete without an option that encompasses the efficiency and durability you command in any garage tiling option. YES4 All EVA Interlocking Exercise Foam Floor Mats provide those attributes and more. This option contains 36 tiles, each measuring 12 inches in length and width, as well as 7/16 inches in thickness. Its high-density EVA construction provides a soft standing surface designed to ease back and leg strain due to standing for long periods. This option is designed to reduce noise to maintain audio integrity for your garage's adjoining rooms. Its puzzle piece design is lightweight, allowing for quick connection or disconnection in any garage. This tile also provides stabilization for gym equipment for those that prefer their daily treadmill or weight training regimens in the privacy of their garage. There's also no need to worry about maintaining tile integrity and safety. Number 3. Inim Interlocking Foam Mats. Selecting an efficient garage floor tiling option is imperative because of its time-consuming nature. Inim Interlocking Floor Mats are the most efficient option on our list. Each foam mat contains 6 black and 6 gray tiles, each measuring 23.6 inches to 0.4 inches. It also contains 24 end borders to provide a seamless installation. This option is waterproof, which will prevent slippage from water spills. They also can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth or mild soap to maintain tile integrity. This option is designed in an interlocking fashion, not unlike a jigsaw puzzle, to further provide a seamless installation. While this option tends to offer a little more softness than some prefer, it does provide efficiency in reducing working noise within your garage. It is also versatile enough for use in other rooms in your house, even children's play areas. Number 4. New Forest Interlocking Floor Mats. Few garage floor tiling options provide a distinctive look while providing optimal results. New Forest Interlocking Floor Mats is one of the few options that provide optimal results while accentuating your garage decor. Each tile measures 24 inches in length and width. Each tile measures 3/8 inch in thickness, which provides extra padding necessary to reduce back, joint, and leg strain during long stretches on your feet. Each tile is designed in an interlocking form to provide a seamless and timely installation process. This option comes in 7 different colors and gives the appearance of a wood grain floor. New Forest Interlocking Floor Mats can be used in any room in your house, providing an uncanny blend of efficiency and sophistication that no other garage flooring option can provide. Number 5. GarageTrack Diamond Garage Flooring Tile. Garage floor tiling projects demand a multi-purpose tiling option that provides optimal results. GarageTrack Diamond Garage Flooring Tile provides the results you demand from any garage floor tile. Constructed in an interlocking fashion that is designed to snap tiles together without the use of any glue or tools, its diamond top flooring design was made specifically to prevent slips and falls while maintaining all safety guidelines. GarageTrack tiles are easy to clean with either a standard vacuum or shop vacuum, maintaining daily tile integrity. This option comes in 5 different colors to give your area of choice a distinct look that safeguards your garage floor from scratches and skid marks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.